Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up settings. From here, scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will find general management. Here you will see reset, and from here you want to select factory data reset. This will bring up a message letting you know what it will remove. So there's a list. If in that list you find something that you would like to keep, maybe music, photos, or some other stuff that you don't store on a cloud but locally, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise it will be completely removed and cannot be undone. Now I don't have anything that I want to back up, so I can just progress further by selecting reset and then delete all, which will automatically begin factory resetting my device. And this process should take roughly about a minute to finish up. Once it is, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished. I do have a SIM card in my phone, so it's prompting me to put a SIM pin, but I can just take out the SIM card. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.